Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime. This evening I am Daydran. Shenseea sparks as the cover story for Galore magazine. Galore featured our Jamaican dancehall artist as their cover story for April. In the article, Galore shared that they had the pleasure of interviewing Shenseea on a number of topics, from her inspirations to her writing style, debuting #2 on Billboard, Coachella, Rolling Loud, beauty tips, being a mom, and being a woman in the industry, adding that Shenseea does not hold back. Shenseea also shared the news with her fans, thanking Galore for making her the cover of this month's release, while promoting what she called her Dragon era, just in time for her latest single release, Curious, this Friday, and Coachella performance on Saturday. Dexter Daps gets his first US chart hit. Dexter Daps has landed his first US chart record courtesy of Nigerian Afrobeat superstar Davido. Dexter is featured at #5 with Bop on the album Timeless. Timeless topped the US iTunes albums charts, coming off its release last week, making history in the process as the first African album to reach #1 in the world's biggest music market. The 17-track album also became the first and only Afrobeats album to debut all tracks in the top 100 of United Kingdom Apple Music Top Songs chart. Davido's Timeless also broke several other records, including the highest charting album by an African artist on the US Apple Music chart, peaking #2, and the biggest album first-day streams in the history of Audiomack, the most Shazammed album by an African artist, the highest number of entries on the Billboard Global 200 chart by an African artist, and the most watched album trailer on YouTube by an African artist. Timeless has the highest number of first-day album sales by an African artist. The album sold over 1 million copies on the first day of release, breaking the previous record held by the Afrobeats king himself, Burna Boy. Now, US rapper and singer Doja Cat is not holding back her feelings. The rapper announced via social media that she is done making pop music. Now, over the weekend, Doja, who is currently working on her new album Hellmouth, made it clear that the album will be only rap. Then she tweeted saying, "I also agree with everyone who said the majority of my rap verses are mid and corny. I know they are. I wasn't trying to prove anything. I just enjoy making music, but I'm getting tired of hearing y'all say that I can't, so I will." However, in a series of other tweets, the artist was all over the place, having fans in pretty much a tailspin, saying the album will be pop, then that it would be classical. One thing's for sure, that an album is on the way from the superstar. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daydran. Thank you for watching.